Hey Matt, my name is Parker and I work for YAG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in the Edmonton area, and I happen to be doing some research and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you over this quick video to go over 3 things that you can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video, if you like what you see, and if you'd like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then give me a call and I'd love to have a chat. If not, then no harm, no foul. You could take these tips that I'm giving you and put them into action for your business today. Now let's get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is content, and that's basically anything you could see on the front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures. Those are all included as content. So if I go and try and save an image here, you can see the file is saved as Sherwood Park Plumbing and Heating, which is already pretty good. But if I save any other image on your website, I could see that it's saved as the exact same thing essentially. Same with this one here. So you can actually go and save every single image on your website as different keywords and phrases. And that'll help you because those keywords and phrases are constantly being searched for on Google. So also including your actual words on your website. If I keep on scrolling through here, I can see your website already looks really good already. However, we like to aim for about 1,500 words of content on the homepage alone because that really helps with getting optimized by Google and with throwing in all of those keywords and phrases that will help you eventually rank higher on Google. And that's just because people are constantly searching for those words and phrases when they are looking for your types of services online. Now, the second thing I want to go over are citations, and you can see all I searched for was Sherwood Park Plumbing and Heating, and your citations are going to take place more down here in the map section of Google. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the internet. And if you're wondering what a directory is or how can you get put into them, well, all a directory is essentially is a website out there allowing businesses to enter their business's information and services. So a few examples of directories would be Yelp or Yellow Pages or LinkedIn, or even Facebook has a directory for citations. And a good technique that we like to use is to look at the competitors in the area and what directories they are currently using, because there is a good chance that if they are working for them, then they are also going to be working for you guys. And you don't want to just get what your competition has and stop there. You want to go out and get way more citations than them, so that way you have a way better chance of ending up on this map section here. Now, the third thing I want to go over are backlinks, and that'll take place more down here in the organic part of Google. And all a backlink is a website linking back to you guys saying that you offer plumbing and heating types of services. And what that will do is just give you more relevance and more keywords to be searched for when people are looking for your types of services. So a tool that we like to use called Ahrefs here can actually show us the amount of referring domains and backlinks and traffic a website is bringing in monthly. So for you guys here, I can see your numbers are already looking great for your referring domains and backlinks. However, you can see you're only bringing in 94 organic clicks of traffic on Google every single month. And I can look over here and see actually all of the different websites that are currently linking back to you guys, giving you some authority and relevance in the marketplace. And then I could do the same thing for your competitors. So if I look over here, you can see that you're already beating out your competitor by quite a bit here for their referring domains and backlinks, but they are bringing in a lot more traffic than you guys monthly, and that would mainly be because of actually just their content on their homepage, like I was talking about earlier. You can see that they have way more keywords on their website. So when people are searching using those keywords and phrases, they are ranking a lot higher on Google than you guys would be right now. And another reason could also be that the actual types of domains and links they have are just a little bit stronger than the ones you guys are using, because certain backlinks and domains actually provide more strength towards a website when searching on Google. So I really hope that this video has been informative for you, Matt. Like I said, you are free to take all these tips and use them for yourself, or if you would like to discuss further on how our team at YAG SEO can help grow your business online, then feel free to contact me and I'd be happy to jump on the phone with you. My information is right here, Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and have a great day.